here I'm going to show you PTE score, academic score guideline. So we all know that there are 7 factors that contribute a score to your write essay. That means there are 7 components you have to consider whenever you will be writing PTE essay. So the first component you can see here is called content. The first component is called content. This is the first component. Second component is called form. What is called form? Form means that you have to write at least 200 to 300 words. It is called form. So this is also important. And then you will find out the third one is called vocabulary. The fourth one is spelling. And the fifth is grammar. And the sixth is development, structure, and coherence. Development, structure, and coherence. And the last one is general linguistic range. So if I write down here content, so what I will do. So the first, we all know that it's content. So I'll write it down. Content. Second is form. Third one is vocab. Fourth one is spelling. Fifth one is grammar. Sixth one is DSC, development, structure, and coherence. And seventh is GLR, general linguistic range. So these 7, in that particular 7 parameters, you'll be getting a score in PTE essay writing. Now, content, you'll be getting 3. Form, you'll be getting 2. Vocab, you'll be getting 2. Spelling, you'll be getting 2. Grammar, 2. Development, structures, and coherence, you'll be getting 2. And general linguistic range, you'll be getting 2. Total 15 marks in your essay writing. Now, most of the people believe that they are using a particular template or a structure that can ensure them to get this score. That's not right. Why? Because when we type our essay, that means when you write the essay, most of the people don't do one particular task that is called checking. They don't check their essay, and because of they don't check or they don't focus on checking, usually they make spelling mistakes and grammar mistakes. They cannot correct. And the reason behind this, that if you do one spelling mistakes out of these 200 to 300 words, you will get for 1 -1, for 2 you'll be getting 0. So spelling will be 0. So there is no way that you can get 15 if you get 2 spelling mistakes. And I have seen 99% students do 1 and 2 spelling mistakes every time in their PTE essay writing. That means getting 15 out of 15 is not possible because it's still you are making spelling mistakes. So template or structures is important, but the most important is checking your 2 terms, spelling and grammar. Again, grammar, for 1 grammar mistakes -1, for 2 grammar mistakes is 0. That means if you do a spelling and grammar mistakes, there is no way that you can get 15. You will be getting 11 to 15 in between, that if you don't make spelling mistakes. Next mindset, some people think the more I will write, that means if I write down 299, that is best. No, that is not said by the Pearson score guideline. It is said that if you can express, if you can answer, if you can construct the whole paragraph or passage based on the particular content with 201 words, then you can get the full score. So logically, form means you have to write 200 to 300. That if you write, you can easily get form 2 out of 2. Now, vocabulary. Now, whenever you are using a template or a structure, that particular template structure has some common vocabularies that can also help you. On top of that, what the task is asking, what are the PTE essay topics, instruction is given. If you use vocabulary from there, it also helps you vocabularies. And apart from that, Sneha said that you have to use some synonyms like similar sort of meanings or close meanings so that you can get better kind of vocabulary. Now, what is development, structure, and coherence, and what is general linguistic range? You know, development, structure, and coherence means whenever you'll be writing your essay, first you have developed the introductory sentence or not into your introduction. So developing ideas is called development. A structure means every essay must have one introduction, at least one or two body paragraphs, and one conclusion. This is called a structure. What is coherence? So coherence means whenever you are developing this each paragraph, that is introduction, body 1, body 2, and conclusion, whether those are logically joined, logically linked, whether they are following a particular flow, whether they are linked to each other or not, that is called coherence. The coherence means that when you are starting your body 1, that is first body, is it linked with introduction? When you are studying body 2, it is linked with your introduction, sorry, body 1. When you're writing conclusion, are you summarizing what you said in the introduction and linking body 1 and body 2? It is called coherence. Now, what is general linguistic range? You can find out the word is saying general linguistic range. Range means that whether you are using the expression that completes the paragraph. What does it mean? In every paragraphs, mostly academic paragraphs, they have 4 sentences. First sentence is introducing the topic. So every first sentence of the paragraph actually introduce that topic. Second sentence can support that topic. So I can write down first is introducing the topic. Second is supporting or giving extra explanation. The third one is giving an example. And the fourth one is concluding or wrapping up or summing up that particular topic into that paragraph. It's not conclusion. So usually that is called general linguistic range. When you write down any body paragraph 1 or body paragraph 2, we usually use 3 to 4 sentences. Our first sentence must introduce that topic, whatever we are discussing. Our second sentence can support that particular topic with extra information or explanation. Our third sentences can be the example, and the fourth one must be the conclusion based on the example and the support topic regarding that particular topic. It is called general linguistic range.